Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, I got a itch to make some wind chimes, and I went to the store and I bought some conduit, and then I thought, maybe I ought to just look online and see if there's any videos on that sort of thing. Well, yeah, there's a bunch of them. There's even one guy that tells you the exact, based on the brand of conduit that you bought, the exact length it should be to hit a particular note. And well, I'm not gonna put that much effort into it. I just want some wind chimes, so I'm gonna do it, and hopefully it'll turn out. So let's get started. Well, it's a breezy day, so I'm holding the sail portion of this wind chime, because when I let it go, it's probably going to get loud. But anyway, I'm done, and I like it. You know, I thought that there were some changes that I might do differently, like have a smaller one of these things right here. But I kind of like it where it's not constantly hitting the pipes. You know, it takes a pretty healthy breeze for it to blow. And if it was bigger, it might make too much noise all the time. So, in any case, I'm very happy with it, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.